Aiden, how you doing on week 12? Are you doing alright? How you doing? Say hi to everybody. Yeah. It's so cool, isn't it? You enjoying yourself today? Yeah? Hi. How are you? Good to see you today. Yes, it is. Hi. What's up? How you doing, little guy? You don't say. How you doing, little guy? Say bye-bye. I'll see you all soon. Love ya.